with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This BMW features integrated phone, rain-sensing wipers, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, four-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless, cold weather package, a CD player with MP3, and HD radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.